All right. We've anchored in Kwatsi Cove and hiked a little ways up a abandoned trail to the most amazing waterfall. And what you can see Kay doing there is rattling her bear bell, because there are definitely bears in the area. You're a little nervous about coming on the hike because there's really no other people at all. But I think it was completely worth it, because this is just an incredible waterfall. And the forest is just so dense. What you can't really tell from the video is the breeze that's sweeping off of the falls. Quite cool. I don't know if this waterfall has a name. I don't think it does.